Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're frustrated with Snapchat not updating your messages in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered. This is a common issue, but with a few simple steps, you can get things running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Snapchat relies on a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal, so check if your network is working by loading another app or website. If it's spotty, restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, try closing and reopening the Snapchat app. Sometimes, a quick refresh does the trick. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen to close it, then launch it again. If that doesn't work, force quit the app from your device's settings. Now, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and check for updates. Snapchat releases regular patches to fix bugs, so installing the latest version could resolve the problem. Make sure your phone's software is also up to date, as that can affect app performance. If messages still aren't updating, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS, offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This removes temporary files that might be causing glitches. Another helpful step is to restart your entire device. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can fix minor software hiccups and refresh your system's resources. If none of that works, consider reinstalling Snapchat. Uninstall the app, then download it fresh from the App Store. Remember to log back in with your credentials afterward. Finally, if you're still facing issues, it might be a server problem on Snapchat's end. Check their official status page or social media for outages, and if needed, contact Snapchat support. There you have it. Easy steps to fix updating messages on Snapchat in 2025. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.